Hey there, fellow fitness adventurer. Did you know that 80% of fitness enthusiasts are missing out on a powerhouse supplement that could totally level up their workouts, mental clarity, and even their skin and hair? Yep, I'm talking about creatine monohydrate, the secret weapon that's been scientifically proven to boost strength, power, and even your brain power. Let's take a quick trek through why creatine is the ultimate sidekick for your fitness journey. What is creatine monohydrate? Creatine is like the fuel for your muscles. It's a natural compound in your body that helps generate quick energy when you're pushing yourself hard, like when you're lifting heavy or sprinting. Creatine monohydrate is the most common, best-studied form of creatine supplement, and it works by supercharging your body's ability to regenerate energy, called ATP, during those intense bursts of activity. How does creatine work? All right, picture this. You're lifting heavy or running your heart out. Your muscles need energy, and that's when ATP kicks in, but ATP runs out fast, leaving you tired. Creatine comes to the rescue by helping your body make more ATP faster so you can keep powering through those reps or sprints. That means more strength, more endurance, and better performance all around. Key benefits of creatine monohydrate. Supercharged strength and power. Creatine gives you that extra energy to lift heavier, do more reps, and run faster. It's like having an energy drink but without the jitters. Muscle growth galore. Creatine helps muscles look fuller by pulling water into your cells. But that's not all. It also lets you train harder, which means bigger, stronger muscles over time. Faster recovery. With creatine, muscle recovery is faster because it helps reduce muscle damage and lactic acid buildup. That means you're less sore and ready for your next adventure sooner. Brain boosting. Here's a fun twist. Creatine doesn't just help muscles. It can give your brain a boost, too. Research shows that creatine can improve focus, memory, and mental clarity, especially when you're feeling mentally wiped out. Time for your brain to flex. Skin, nails, and hair. Health. Yep, you heard that right. Creatine can help with your skin, hair, and nails too. It supports collagen production, which keeps your skin looking fresh and firm. Plus, it helps your hair and nails stay strong so you can shine in every way. Is creatine safe? Absolutely. Creatine is one of the safest and most studied supplements out there. When you take it in the right doses, 3 to 5 grams a day, it's completely safe. Just make sure to stay hydrated, and you're good to go. Conclusion. So, fellow adventurer, creatine monohydrate is a game changer when it comes to strength, muscle growth, mental clarity, and even looking your best. Don't miss out. Add creatine to your routine and start feeling stronger, smarter, and more vibrant today. Let's crush this journey together, one rep at a time.